Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are unboxing this lovely small but spacious tote bag by Ted Baker. The bag is crafted from durable nylon material. Moving to the inside of the bag, it has a spacious compartment that is fully lined with the Ted Baker branding. The bag comes with an adjustable shoulder strap and it has an internal pocket and front pocket. This bag is incredibly versatile and stylish, and frankly it has become my everyday bag that I use. I have been using it for a week now, and the shoulder straps are so comfortable. It doesn't hurt my shoulders at all. When it comes to putting on the shoulder straps, it's pretty simple. You simply just clip it on the hooks on the side of the bag. So I really do like this bag. It's strong and sturdy and fits all my daily essentials in it. I'm gonna still try it for another couple of weeks before giving you guys a full review on the bag, but so far so good. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you are enjoying these kind of unboxing contents, then please do give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so that I can continue to produce this kind of videos. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.